Hello students, how are you people? Today I am going to teach you new lesson that is geography. You all know that for 6th and 7th standard you are going to study separate subject as a geography. So geography in your book you are going to study about mountains, hills and plain land, all those things you are going to study. But I just wanted to give introduction about geography. Geography in Montessori way, how geography is going to deal in Montessori method. So geo means earth. Geo means earth. We are going to write, graphy means like polygraphy, graphy means calligraphy, graphy means writing. We are going to writing about earth. So all of you understood what is geography? Geo means earth, graphy means writing. Why we want to study geography? So if you know geographical things, it is very easy to understand our earth. So we are living on this earth, we are living on this environment with other human beings, animals, plants, everything. So you should know what it is, the how the seasons changes. According to seasons, the crop will going to changes, the plant will changes, some fruits we get on particular seasons. If you know geography, you can study all, we can come to know that all these things. So today I am going to give little bit information about geography. Geography is a, see for example, if you are going with your parents in a car, what you will do? You will ask what where if you want to reach some places, you will ask your parent where is the geographical location. If you know everything, you will come to know that the location is very easily. So geography tells we are going to study about earth and the people. Geography ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ನ we are going to learn. Earth, how I told you so many stories about earth. Before, our earth was like a burning ball like this. Have you seen all these pictures? It was burning ball. Now it has got changed. Look at here. It is look like a blue planet. Why we call it as blue planet? You know all these things, correct? No. So geography, it tells about how our earth has been changed. Now also it is changing due to industrialization and global warming. Look at here. Our earth was changing like this. Look at here. Because of industrialization. Human beings, what we are doing it, we are holding our earth like this. We are using our earth because of our own, we are misusing our earth because we are digging our earth and we are cutting down our trees. Due to all these things, it happened, our earth got changed and now it is burning because we are everyday temperature is changing and increasing due to globalization. So geography tells about how we are different from one continent to other continent. Suppose children, can you see in Karnataka? In Karnataka, we are all living in Karnataka. In Karnataka, we can see plain land, somewhat hilly region. But if you go to Kashmir and all, we can see the mountains, big mountains like this, and ice, snowfall, everything we can see. But in Karnataka, we cannot, this environment is changed and this environment changed due to geographical difference, due to geographical changes. And in Karnataka, we can grow so many things. In Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir and all, we can sow so many different crops also we can see. We can come to know that geographically people also change. Look at here, Americans are Americans and Indians. Look at your Indians, the way they dresses, the way they eat, what they eat. It's all depend upon their surrounding environment and geographical changes. Whatever they get it nearby whatever they get it, they will eat. They will practice. They are going to eat and they are going to wear. Look at your other continent like North America, South America, yeah, Europe continents. We are all so totally different. And Africans, compared to Africans and Indians, we are totally different. Geographically, we are totally different. Once you study geography, you will come to know that why it is different from one continent to other continent. So geography is very important to understand the relationship between human beings and the earth. That is why our geographer also tried, they wrote so many books and they explained about one continent or one location to other location, what is the difference. They are doing it, all those things. In henceforth, you are going to learn more things about geography. Okay, now you all understood. Thank you so much.